Macro traders and investors, here we are, and I'm Domenico, and I'm bringing you my institutional vision on global markets. Get ready because today we are analyzing the third greatest invention in blockchain, the world computer, which is ICP, and how this blockchain is revolutionizing the internet and why it's the ultimate Web3 killer in 2025 and beyond. Hey everyone, welcome back to where we will dive deep into the world of blockchain, Web3, and the tech that's shaping our future. Today, guys, we are talking about something truly game changing, the Internet Computer Protocol, or ICP. While most blockchains are just financial tools or settlement layers, ICP is actually building the world's first decentralized cloud, which is the backbone for a brand new open internet. And if you're tired of big tech controlling everything, this is the video for you, definitely. Stick around because I'm breaking it all down with tons of details, real world examples, and the latest 2025 updates that are making waves. So, guys, let's jump into it. First off, let's talk about how ICP makes Web3 accessible to literally billions of people around the world. Unlike Ethereum or other chains, where users pay hefty gas fees for every transaction, which can add up to very, very costly sums of money. Unfortunately, ICP flips the script with its reverse gas model. Here's how it works. Developers pre-fund their smart contracts called canisters on ICP with something called cycles. These cycles cover the computational costs so end users like you and me can interact with dApps, transfer tokens, or access services without paying a dime in fees. No more wallet draining surprises, and that's game changing. This isn't just a theory, it's designed for mass adoption. Just imagine you're scrolling through a decentralized social media app or trading NFTs with your buddies without worrying about transaction costs. ICP tokenomics back this up. The native ICP token can be converted into cycles, and as demand grows, it creates a deflationary mechanism through token burns. For example, guys, in July 2025, ICP saw a 5% price rally, partially due to increased token burns from a higher network activity. This model democratizes access, removing barriers that keep Web3 elitist in a world where over 5 billion people are online, but only a fraction are using crypto. I think we could probably have around 6 or 700 million crypto users globally. So it's a very small number compared to, the total world population. And ICP's approach could onboard the masses and eventually will, enabling seamless value transfers and digital services at scale. Moving on, guys, ICP isn't just about finance, it's where culture and tech collide. In a fully on chain ecosystem, most platforms, layer 2s, rely on centralized servers for hosting, which means they are vulnerable to censorship, downtime, which we have seen consistently with Solana, that has well over $100 billion market cap, or data breaches. ICP flips the script. It changes that by hosting everything directly on chain. Front ends, back ends, social networks, NFTs, DeFi protocols, you name it, guys. Take social media as an example. On ICP platforms like DSCVR or OpenChat, Return run entirely fully on chain, giving users the true ownership of their data, identities, and content. No more algorithms controlled by corporations, communities governed via DAOs, NFTs. They're not just images, they can be interactive with metadata, logic, stored on chain for real utility, as Elon Musk always said. For NFT to have value, it needs to be fully on chain. Otherwise, it is not worth whatever it's printed on. DeFi apps on ICP handle everything from lending to yield farming without intermediaries. Guys, this fusion ensures censorship resistance. Remember how centralized platforms have banned users or content? Just think through the pandemic, how they shut down the accounts of those truckers. Like, we can talk about this for the next 2 hours, but you get the gist of it. On ICP, as long as the network runs, your app does too. It's a seamless blend of community-driven culture and cutting-edge tech, empowering creators and users alike. And with tools like ICP World Dashboard launched in August 2025 of this month, developers now can monitor and optimize their canisters more easily, boosting this on-chain revolution. Very easy to manage. And now here's where ICP gets really ambitious. It's not just limited to tokens or simple smart contracts. It's global infrastructure layer that's going to support everything from AI to cross-chain integrations. And let's break that down. First, AI on chain. ICP allows AI models to run natively on the blockchain, making them tamper-proof and unstoppable. Through initiatives like the self-writing internet vision unveiled in 2025, anyone can build apps using AI without coding. Your mom, your grandmother, anyone can build an app however they like, just using natural language. The ICP 2.0 upgrade in July 2025 introduced the no-code AI-powered development tools, which is going to let devs create sophisticated apps much faster. And this is getting ready for the mass adoption of caffeine AI. And just imagine, guys, sovereign AI that's decentralized, resistance to hack, and even autonomous. Remember, this is the future for robotics and humanoids. That's ICP's play for the future. It's going to run it all. Do your own research, not financial advice. And next, interoperability. ICP is king when it comes to interoperability, as it integrates directly with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, without risky bridges. We're talking the three largest market caps pretty much in the crypto sphere. Using chain fusion technology, smart contracts on ICP can read and write to the other chains trustlessly. For instance, you can create Bitcoin DeFi apps where ICP handles the logic while securing BTC assets natively. No wrapped tokens needed. Game changer. It also supports web smart contracts executing in milliseconds, not seconds. Perfect for gaming, payments, tokenized real world assets. And this is why I believe they collaborated with Hedera, because Hedera has all the contacts. And also, it needs a world computer to be able to execute real world assets in milliseconds, fully decentralized. So basically, Hedera needs ICP's compute. And together, as remember what they said when Elon Musk's brother was there, when they initiated the discussion of this new collaboration, it's going to power us better together. And I do believe that it's only a matter of time that other ecosystems will follow Hedera's path and integrate and collaborate with ICP because of these web speed smart contracts and ability to execute and be fully decentralized. And being the world computer, they will need ICP's compute. And even Sam Altman said, compute is the new oil. And who does compute better? ICP. It's the king. Nothing comes close. And think about it, RWA, trillions are going to come along with RWA, from staking real estate tokens to in-game economies. It's going to be massive, like to tokenization of stock market assets. Trillions are going to go on board tokenized. And ICP will be at the backbone of that, which is going to be massive. Over the Ninja upgrade, recently in 2025, bringing AI enhanced tools, the development is exploding and will continue to explode. Guys, this isn't hype. It's real fucking infrastructure for a multi-trillion dollar digital economy. We're talking a multi-trillion dollar digital economy. And what's the market cap today? Under 3 trillion at 2.7 billion. You do the math. Finally, guys, what sets ICP apart is its commitment to true decentralization. Most blockchains cut corners, relying on AWS for hosting, roll up that centralized data, or validators that could collude, or they rely on their marketing, blah, blah, blah. ICP scales directly through a global network of independent data centers and nodes called subnets. If you don't see it, guys, if you're not pilled like I am, ICP is playing the long game. And here's the tech, and this is where you survive. Chain key technology allows infinite scalability by subdividing the network into subnets, each handling parallel computations. Add more nodes and the network grows without bottlenecks. And just recently this month, they replicated the state capacity doubled to 2 TIB, which is proving that scalability in action, because they grew the network's capacity for the mass adoption of caffeine AI, which is going to scale to Mahala. And being able to do this with no big tech dependency means no single point of failure. This is key. It's resilient against outages or censorship, where you, as the user, control it all. This obviously eliminates reliance on centralized clouds, enduring infinite growth, whether it's handling massive traffic for global apps, running enterprise systems for businesses or government, which eventually will run through Utopia. ICP is built for it all. The 2025 roadmap update from Definity emphasizes enhancing dev experiences and milestones across 9 themes, like better interoperability, interoperability, and AI decentralization. Look at the Nakamoto coefficient, it is the most decentralized at layer 2. I don't even call layer 2 the most decentralized cloud. Events like the World Computer Summit in June 2025 highlighted these advancements, drawing devs worldwide. And we're just going to see the side of it, because when caffeine AI explodes to the masses, everyone's going to be a developer. The sky's the limit. So there you have it, guys. ICP isn't just another layer 1 blockchain. It is the third invention of the blockchain. We had Bitcoin as money, Ethereum pioneered smart contracts, and ICP is the third greatest invention of blockchain. So this is a censorship-resistant, fully decentralized, infinitely scalable alternative to any Web2 giant out there. And with features like reverse gas and on-chain everything, AI integration, and true scalability, plus with these current 2025 breakthroughs like ICP 2.0 and double storage, the future is fucking bright. And if you got excited as I am, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives, and drop a comment. Do you think ICP will dominate Web3 and AI and obviously the future industrial revolution? Check out the links in the description for more on ICP, the official site, and the roadmap. Because the roadmap, they have a 20-year roadmap, and and literally, if you look at the roadmap and what they have planned out, literally it's alien technology. So when you think about where we are today in regards to price and people looking at price action, it's literally just all noise. Like, do your own research, watch the videos, dig deep, and once you get peeled, you won't unsee it. Trust me. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Peace out for now.